Want to know how to run further, lift more, sell more, do more? It all starts up here. So there's this concept traditionally used by the Navy SEALs and popularized by David Goggins. It's called the 40% rule.
This is the 40%. When you quit, your mind says we're done. So it doesn't expand. When you say you, suffering, I'm broken, but I'm not going anywhere. What happens to your mind, we gotta grow. We gotta figure this thing out. And then you start to engage parts of your mind that you never engaged before. You're forcing your brain now to operate on a level it's not used to.
The 40% rule is a mindset that the Navy SEALs used to push through the physical and mental pain when they thought they'd reached their limit. The idea is that your mind tells you that you're done and you can't go any further, and you're only about 40% of your actual capacity. So if you haven't read Living with a SEAL by Jesse Itzler, it's a must. Basically, Jesse, this rich billionaire, was running a 100-mile relay race and saw this one dude well over 250 pounds. 250-pound guys do not run ultra marathons. He was crushing this race by himself. Well, turns out this dude was David Goggins, fractured multiple bones in his foot, but still finished the race. Itzler went up to him after and hired him to come live with his family. So the first day Goggins gets there, he says, how many pull-ups can you do? So Itzler jumps on the bar, does about 8. He's like, all right, that was pretty good. Take 30 seconds, we're going to do it again. So 30 seconds later, he got up on the bar, did about 6, was struggling through it. And he's like, okay, cool. Take your time. We're going to wait another 30 seconds. We're going to do it again. And he jumped up on the bar, did about 3 or 4. He was basically cashed. And he was like, all right, we're not leaving here until you do 100 more. And Itzler was just like, no way, man. That's just not possible. I don't know if I can do that. And Goggins was like, we are not leaving. Get back up on the bar. Because there was no way back, Goggins was not letting him leave that room until he got the 100. He finished. Now, it took him a long time, but he was able to knock that out. So whenever you think you've hit that wall, just know you're probably about 40% of your capacity. Keep going.